Okay, wait a minute. Mama will just put this in the mailbox. Quickly, come here, Sabi. Show me your outfit. Come here. Tingnan niyo. Wow. Model. Wow, sana all. Ay, nice silin ganin mo. Say good morning, Sabi.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
We're going to Auntie Rose.
We're going to see Auntie Rose. We haven't seen Auntie Rose for a long time, yeah? Don't touch it, anak. It's very dusty, Papa. Okay, ito, anak, lagi. Nasa damit na ni Mama, anak.
What happened?
So, it's currently 9:45 ng umaga. Kami ni Baby Celine ay magdadrive ng 2 minutes. 2 minutes lang. Literally 2 minutes kasi end lang ng street na to kami pupunta. So we're going to see Rose. We haven't seen her for so long. Even before pumunta kami ng Melbourne. So I know magkapit-bahay kami but ganun talaga ang buhay dito sa Australia, guys. Kahit magkapit-bahay hindi nakikita. So here's our Baby Celine. Naka-outfit. I love you, anak. Tapon mo na ako kay itchy nila.
Okay.
So ito yung aming pa-outfit for today. Ganyan. I love you so much. Okay. Go now. Nakaligo si mami niyo today, guys. Kaya ang ating buhok ay fresh tingnan. Ay, actually not today. Last night ako naligo. And then this morning ay inano ko lang siya, pinlansya ko lang siya. Kaya, ayan. Mahaba na yung buhok natin. Oh!
It's loud.
Napakahaba na. Kaya,
It's so loud.
Before tayo alis, anak, ay si mami nyo, kasi hindi na ako nag-makeup, guys. But, ako, nag-moisturizer, of course, yung ating skincare, and then, nag-sunscreen ako. Ganyan. Pero, kailangan talaga natin i-cover itong ating kilay, guys. Kasi, yes, Baba.
So noisy.
I know, right? So, don't turn it on because it's too noisy. Ang ating kilay ay nag-red na siya ba? Kaya kailangan ko talaga siyang subuti na lang dito sa sasakyan. Meron akong mga spare na mga eyebrow pencil, ganyan. Kasi, ganitong mga moment na nagmamadali tayo, meron tayong gagamit dito sa sasakyan. Even dito sa sasakyan, meron akong lotion, ganyan. Very light lang ba? Para lang hindi masyadong makita yung redness. So, hindi pa ako nakapagkape, guys, kasi hinintay ko to. Doon na lang ako magkakape. Actually, alam niyo ba? Ngayon ko lang na-realize.
Mom, that's so
Sobrang tagal ko
nosy.
nang hindi nag-vlog.
Mom, so nosy.
So nosy.
And climb into Rose.
Gawag kong kasi
That's
Ate
so
Rose na.
nosy.
Hindi ako nag-vlog for, I don't know, God knows how long, Kasi I took a break. I don't know, kasi sobrang sobrang na-busy lang ang life ng mami niyo. And parang pinagtuunan ko ng pansin yung ating little business, guys. Kasi may marami ako mga stock na dumating. So, nag-focus ako sa pag-take ng picture, pag-posting online. And, alam niyo yun, guys. Kailangan natin kumita ng pera, guys, diba? Hindi lang, kasi may mga nagsasabi na, makikita ka naman sa pag-vlog. Guys, kung alam niyo lang. Kailangan talaga nating magsipag. At alam niyo ba, this is very interesting, guys, and very exciting, Kasi nga, 'di ba, as mentioned, sobrang dami ko ng stock dito. So, I was thinking, sabihin ko sa Daddy Mike, guys, na instead of just selling it online, I have like few platforms na pinagbebentahan ko, right? And now, I think last video, nag-vlog ako na nakabenta ako sa isang platform, which is the Vestiaire Collective. And I'm actually liking it there at the moment. So, doon ako nagpo-post ngayon ng mga item na nandun na sa eBay store ko. So parang kinakopy ko na lang siya doon sa website na yun. And recently I sold another item which is like a Dior trench coat. So kaya sabi ko, okay, this is not bad. But I'm trying and I'm planning to like go on a new venture which is live selling. So hindi pa ako nakapag live selling before, guys, obviously, but yung sister ko sa Pinas nagla-live selling siya every night. So sabi ko, hindi naman siguro mahirap, no? It's a different market kasi, you know, sa Pilipinas, alam mo, mga Pinoy yung mga customer, Pinoy yung manonood sa'yo. But since nandito ka sa Australia, hindi may iwasan siguro may mga puti din na manonood. So hindi pa ako hindi, ewan ko, mentally hindi ako handa na mag-live, but sabi ko sa sarili ko, that's something that I really want to do. Like, I'm very, very interested in doing live selling, and it's just a matter of starting, like, kung kailan ako magsisimula. But hopefully, very soon, guys, that way, may way tayo na there's more ways para ma-dispose yung ating mga item. So yeah, i-push nyo ako, guys. Comment nyo, guys, na go mommy, live selling na yarn. And I also cleaned the car, guys, nung hindi ako nag-vlog. Marami akong nagawa. So naglinis ako ng sasakyan, nag-pack na naman ako ng box for balikbayan box sa Pinas. So naging productive naman si mami nyo, guys. But now, since, you know, we have ganaps, we're going to see Auntie Rose, then vlog tayo. Yes, Baba?
Close my window.
Of course, my love. Seatbelt on? Okay.
Not like that. Mommy, you're silly.
You're a silly bum.
No, you're silly as open. Say sorry to me.
I'm sorry, Balingli. I didn't put it there, it just happened.
Mama might be stuck.
So we're leaving the house, you will see kung gaano kami kalapit.
Mom, just like this.
Okay, good girl. Jump.
No, I'm scared.
So scared.
Mommy, I told you I'm scared there. And my fault.
Okay.
Oh, do it again, okay?
Okay.
Hi.
Let's see, Inday, Let's see if Auntie Rose here yet. Not yet.
Not here yet.
Not here yet.
Mom, never wants to play. We have chocolate later.
Oh my word! This is so cute. I have to say. You're so gorgeous. Why is you so gorgeous? I mean, really? Too much. Too gorgeous. Yeah. Here, come here, Netflix. Oh, no. How are you? Oh, yeah, come. You too, Mom. Mom. Oh.
Say hi to my vlog.
Oh my. Is it on? Hello.
Hi! Finally, after
I know.
10 years.
Maybe 2 months.
I know. We went to Melbourne.
When
First
did you go to Melbourne?
1st of August.
First of
Yeah, and we didn't see because you went to LA, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, nak, sit down lang lah. Sit down.
I love all of it.
Bloody. A bloody lizard. Okay, show me. Show me. This way? Oh my god. It's big. Oh, look at that. Hey, don't be scared. Oh my goodness. I think he's hurt. Have a look. He's got wound on the side. Oh. Come on, let's go. Abby. So it's 3:10 guys. My parents teacher interview. So we'll see what the teachers say about the Paris today. Hi! Come go play. So at 3:15 guys, ang aming schedule para sa interview with the teacher. So, are you excited, Daddy?
Yeah.
I'm excited to hear what the teachers say about the Paris. Kasi ito yung first nila. Ngayong grade 1 na siya.
You having fun, Lynn?
How's your day?
Good.
Good? What did you do?
No. We went to the conferences.
Yeah.
We went on reading eggs in this rock. My score on reading eggs is 648.
What's that?
I was reading eggs. It's my level.
What's 648?
Your level of reading.
I'm at 46. That's my school on. I mean, that's my. What's it called? That's the place I'm on.
Show me your teeth.
Ow.
Did you eat your lunch today?
Did you like it?
Did you order one packet of popcorn?
Yeah, of course.
Because today when I got my chocolate, it's hatchy popcorn.
So did you eat two?
I ate one, but then I returned the other one back to the tuck shop
Oh, good job.
when I was getting my icicle.
Well done, Baba. Well
But then
done. You
I-
shouldn't eat something that's not yours.
Yes, you should.
Daddy.
What? She should. She had to
That's
one of the
nice.
lunch thing.
That's not hers. Why would she eat it?
Because.
No, it's for me, but
Finders keepers.
I didn't want to get in trouble, so I don't like getting in trouble. So I didn't eat it. I didn't eat it. And I don't want to waste their food. I just
I think it's kind of straight. She's going.
you're not mine.
Thank you, baby.
You want my wicked witch?
Very good sharing.
Huh? Huh?
Actually, you can have. Actually, you can have this. Yeah. Like Sammy.
Mmm.
Okay, I'll take my toys.
He wants you to bring toys in Paris. That's what she's saying. But she's saying, if you need to hold something when she's talking,
Instead of blue tack, or instead of something
Dirty.
dirty.
because your hands get, look at your hands.
Yeah, for sure she's been like touching.
No, that's not from Blue Tack. I didn't even use Blue Tack today. I didn't even have
Yeah.
even yesterday. I didn't even have any Blue Tack.
Basically, that's it.
How'd you do that too?
If you feel like you have to have something in your hand when she's talking, she's saying bring in a toy. Wow.
Doesn't mean you have to.
It doesn't mean you have to, and it doesn't mean when she's talking that you got just start focusing on the toy.
You can have this.
I know when I was a kid,
I
it's a different one. I think I was in year 3. And
I was thinking about that.
my teacher said, Bob, it clearly shows on my report card. Move from one place to another. I always like, move from here. Talk, Marites, dismiss.
Can you put it back?
Like that.
I want to have some.
But not the,
Have some?
I don't know what
you
she
can
got it
have a
from.
little bit,
Not
okay?
for me.
Have a little bit. Mine?
What else then?
Let's see what's open it.
Mother Karen.
One time. Let's open it. One time. Scarlett got in trouble. Let's open because she got slime all over her.
Huh?
Mommy.
What?
She got like slime in her pocket.
In your pocket.
In her pocket.
In your pocket?
My pocket. But luckily, I got some of it out. There's still no more stain.
Which pocket?
Mama, can you open it?
Sure.
It's like the top pocket. Like right there. But I took it off.
Yeah, it's why like you should stop playing slime, yeah? Because it's very messy.
But it was actually not Scarlett's fault. It was actually someone else's. Because it was on her bag and her lunchbox. It
And how
wasn't.
did it get to your ship? If it's in her lunchbox.
She accidentally got my pocket.
She did like this. Ah, Paris! Like that?
No.
How did it happen?
She put it in my pocket for some reason. I told her not to, but she did. Did it. Even though. So I told the teacher that that's someone. No, Mom.
Oh, you
But
gonna
it
stop?
wasn't. But it wasn't her slime. No, it was someone else's yes, slime.
Oh,
She
okay,
was
sorry
like
about that.
crying because it wasn't her slime.
Ling Ling, don't point it on your face, remember?
Huh? I need rubber.
You done?
I need rubber.
Huh?
That doesn't make sense.
The man is on the...
Is that left and that's right?
That's right, yeah.
But
Look.
Lily's got a pee on that, yeah?
And this right?
That's right. The dog is on the right of the tree, the sun is above the tree, the man is on the left of the tree. Perfect, huh?
Louis gonna pee on that? He's gonna think that's his wee mat.
What would you prefer?
Left or up?
I know what you're gonna choose.
Careful it.
I don't know, you tell me, and I'll tell you what I think. Math or art? And you tell me why you prefer that.
Math.
Really?
I like but I like math more.
That surprised me, Daddy. I never thought you were gonna choose math or art. You love art. Anyways, why? You're busy. Why do you prefer maths or over art?
Because when I do math, it teaches me more.
Hmm?
And if you do art, sometimes like you don't learn anything. It's just drawing. That's what it's like. I like doing craft,
Yeah.
but I'm good for math.
Okay. All right.
Where's my
You're right. I prefer math. I prefer maths with the S because there.
I'm so busy.
Ay, too busy. Anong oras na guys at magkakape si Mami. So I've been working in the garage getting my stuff ready for Sunday.
Finish.
Good job, Baba.
It's not pretty fun.
Careful, not pointed on your face. Fair. Look. Okay, you're so busy, Baba. So gusto kong magkape.
Mommy, I'm busy.
Okay, you're busy and?
I want to turn off this one.
You want to turn it off?
I need rub on my
You want to turn it off? Okay, turn off the side. I think that I'm yung kape. And I got my coffee mate. Alam niyo na, excited ako magkape because of my coffee mate. Kapag nagko-coffee mate ako, guys. Feel na feel ko na, Pinas. So, this is like one of my new stocks, guys, for, our benta-benta. Ayan, presyohan ko siya. I haven't taken photo of this one as yet. Yung iba, napicturean ko na, but this one, hindi. Dadalhin ko siya ngayong Sunday. Ayan siya, coach. Diba? Ganda nito. Very classic. And, parang siya, will never go out of style. Nice. This one is also a kilikili bag, but because of the color, it's not for everyone, right? It's like neon green or yellow. Nah. What's the color of this one?
I know. Yes! Oh, that's neon green and that's neon yellow.
Okay. Ayan siya.
Okay.
It's very nice. Like, I love it. But, yeah. Benta. Nice. Ate, I thought you were going to find the... You're not looking for it, honey.
I looked in all of it. I couldn't find any there.
It's now late at night, guys. Napatulog ko na yung mga kids. So, it's now time for me to take my contacts off and get ready for bed. Kasi si mami niyo ay very tired na rin, guys. So, maghihilamos lang ako. Wala, I can feel na meron akong tumutupo dito na Tignan niyo. Taghiyawat. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Really appreciate you all. And I'd like to do a quick shout out before natin i-end yung vlog natin. Shout out to Elsa Sarano, Beth Palma, Luning Hermo, George Blackston, hello po, kumusta? Dolly Don, Chic Life, Lenny Langit, Jamila Kawaja, Mercy Narito, Erlinda Basa, Irene Aliperio, G. Alcera, Marlene Suitos, Yep Balino, Carmen Lu, Lolita La Cuesta, Victoria Baptista, Esther Timuat, and Eugenia Zarate. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.